back to the channel here, guys. We're having a 4-part series on this 302. Changing the intake, going to 4-barrel. Probably changing the heads on it too. We're doing a cam. Basically cleaning it up and seeing what this junkyard motor will do. So I'm going to go ahead and contradict myself. We thought it was going to be a multiple part series. It's a flat tap cam motor. We were going to tap the block, turn it in a hydraulic roller. The problem is that we found some carnage in the motor, and I don't want to spoil anything for later in the video, but that's basically going to be, it's going to be a tear down only. We're going to do more videos like this, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions, comment, I'll answer them all. So we're pulling the pan off. I was very confident in this motor being good, but about this time I looked down in the pan and I seen glittery oil, and that usually is not a good sign. And then I found what looked like to be a spring that was blown apart in the bottom of the oil pan. I think it might have been from the oil pump, but I can't be for sure. I knew there was other bearing material and stuff like that in the bottom of the pan. So at this point, I knew one of these rods were going to be bad, rod bearings, and started pulling them off. As soon as I seen it, I didn't realize how bad it was until I took my gloves off and could really feel it, and I could see it. It would need a new crank. I don't think it's really worth it because of the flat tappet build, but there's some flat tappet guys out there. If you guys would like to see that, you know, I'll put a crank in it and put it back together, and maybe do one of the voodoo options that Lenati offers. But like I said, it'd all be what you guys want to see, what you guys drop down in the comments below. I'm down to do whatever build anyone wants to see. There's gonna be a lot of LS stuff coming up. I think that's gonna be really fun. But if you guys have any questions, like I said, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.
This one's not like it.
fracture.
Oh, it's not here.
That was like down in here.
Oh.
What is that?
I don't even know.
Somebody must have hacked something.
Is that for real?
That was just in there, dude.
What the heck is that?
You gotta put it back.
I'm not a Ford guy all the way, but
This is like an Allen key.
it's usually I'm more scared of those woods. Really don't look that bad. Oh yeah, she's small bearing. Yeah. I think if I lapped it, I could probably get it out. You feel those grooves?
Yeah, you can't sell it though. Oh, that's bad, yeah.
No.
Let's see, we'll use our new tool.
Yeah. We won't want to scar it up anymore than it already is. It's pretty much junk. Well, while we're this far into it, we'll go ahead and pull the rotating assembly out of it. Check the pistons are good. You know, we might do something cool with them. Other than that, they're pretty much, the crank at least is trash. Sucks, but I mean, junkyard motor, kind of take it where you can get it. Yeah, so I think what we're going to do, we're going to fast forward. We have all the rods and pistons out of it. Get you there.